Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I already primed and set my eyes, and now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place, the Nomad eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that first shade and put that in my crease, and then I'm going to take the other shade and put that all over my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that really helps my channel and I really appreciate it. For eyeliner, I'm using the NARS Climax Liquid Eyeliner. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the NARS Pour and Shine Control Primer. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camel Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover the dark spots on my face and neck. Next, I'm using the AB8 Setting Powder in Deep Peach to set where I had that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kampala 340. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline. I'm going to take the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the setting powder again to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun. For blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in Coral Crush. To highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Demi Glow Highlighter in Too Much. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner Club Hopper and the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this easy everyday makeup look using 2 eyeshadows. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell, you click all, so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that really help my channel. I really appreciate it. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.